Today I'm unboxing something unique, a limited edition 3D printed F1 racing model car, number 61 out of only 100 made. And inside, protected in foam, we've got remote, charger, and the main event. Batteries for the remote not included, and I guess I gotta charge the car. So here's the charger. And now for the car. Unscrew the locking pin, take the undercarriage, take the battery, and I'll be right back.
The next day.
Car batteries charged. Batteries for the remote are ready. And now to install the battery. Turn the car on. Put the undercarriage back. And we're ready to test. And off we go. In the upcoming video, I'll be testing and racing this RC F1 car model on a real road. If you like the model or you're interested in other RC model, check out makeroad.com/makerkit for their RC car and boat sets.